Hello everyone, welcome back to another blocky video. Mm, Today I'm gonna review the 3-in-1 Lego arcade set. Before we get into it make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get into it. First, I'm gonna show you the outside of it. As you can see, it's a very clear wall. Well, and the designing on it is really good. But at the side there's more to it. Look, there's a pet entrance and a sketch. That's really cool, nah? and now let's move on to the controls. Yes, these are the controls of the shop. When the shop closes, you can use these controls. And next I'm gonna show you the inside of it. As you can see, there's three games in there: a cashier and a table with food on it. As you can see, it has two pizza slices and two drinks. How exciting! And look at that guy. He's asking for tokens. And I don't know why he bought a skateboard in the arcade, but I think it's for transport. Yeah, it's for transport, I think so. And look, there's a good game of basketball over here. And my ball got stuck once. And look at look at this. There's even a CCTV camera over here. That's really cool. And next up on our list, we have the racing game. As you can see, there's a picture of racing and a seat here. That's really cool. And also it also has a driving, but I don't know why are these here. I think those are the speed and the brake pedals of the car. And next up on our list, we got the arcade machine. As you can see, I don't know which game it is, but I think it's some game of action. And let's see the counter. Is he using a computer or just seeing a blank screen? That's too weird for me. And look, there's even lights, three lights in this place. That's a really cool design, right? And you can change this guy. You can give him a helmet and a skateboard to ride on it. How exciting! Look at him go. Now we're gonna put him back to his normal mode. Now, and next we have on our list is the cashier. Yes, the cashier is a she. And I don't know why the video game has a light, because it always produces light when you see the game, but it's fine until nothing goes wrong. And and the blank computer doesn't has a keyboard. And look at that, a cactus flower. And as you can see, there is a mat here. How exciting! And next up on our list, we have the designing. Yes, the designing. First, we're gonna see the pizza. The pizza is the most designed in block in this whole structure. So it's the most precious one. And out there you saw the sketch. I don't know what's written, but I see if fun written on it, yak written on it, and TC written on it. And I don't know what it was written, but it's pretty cool. Now that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video.